Okay, welcome back. It's Doug from Bjorn territory. Just a little update. Sunday, been out. Luckily it wasn't raining for a little bit, so took the kids out. First time in a little while. Kind of a bit stuck indoors, especially yesterday. It rained all day yesterday. I don't know about you lot. My kids were desperate and climbing the walls, needed to get out, needed a bit of a run around. So we explored a few local woods, quite nice. But got home and I found a package on the floor, which is always really exciting because I wasn't quite expecting the quick delivery. So I thought I'd share with you what my next purchases are. Let's check it out. All right, let's get inside. Nice box cutter. This is my next purchase from Warlord Games. A few bits and bobs. Quite excited about getting into. Try to keep the box. I like keeping some of these boxes are handy. Storing stuff later. It's that weird hobby thing. Oh, that's a good box. Hopefully this won't be a good box if I don't damage it. There we go. What have we got? Invoice. Put that to one side. Excellent. So here we go. Some Napoleonic French paints. Need that. Got some Frenchies now. Realised I didn't quite have all the colours in my Citadel paints. On my Valhalla paints. I thought, yes, I need some. So, good little set. Nice range. I had it on an offer on Warlord Games. Only a tenner, I think it was in the end. Normally a lot more expensive. Oh, opens at the top. Nice, easy to reach paints. Oh, some extra bits and bobs inside. Packed by Chris. Thank you, Chris. Got a nice red, yellow, flat yellow, dark Prussian blue. I think I'm going to use a lot of that. A off-white, an old gold. Be really helpful. What we got here? Oily steel, good gunmetal. A London grey, awesome. And intermediate green. Don't know why it's intermediate. All right, next in the box. Some troops. British Line Infantry Peninsular War. I'm going to be focusing on the Peninsular War to start with. I think mainly because of watching Sharp. I've got a bit of an idea of kind of some of the key events, some of the battles that they touch upon. I want to find out more. I want to get a bit more knowledge of what went on and who was involved. So it's my little box. Turn it over. Lovely box art. Again, really impressed with the packaging of Warlord Games. Simple assembly by the look of it. You've got some metal minis and you've got some plastics. 20 plastic, 4 metal. Okay, and some full colour flags. So check what regiments. And again, which I do like, is the way they put a bit of history on the back of the box as I'm pointing with a knife. All right, let's crack it open. I don't normally use a knife, just get my fingers stuck in. Yeah, it's it. There we go. See what we get. Let's have a look. Let's have a look. Ooh, first bit. Command pack. Oh, separate bit of metal for the flagpole, I imagine. Or spear. Could be for the NCO, I suppose. I don't know what they called them. By Kai. Thank you, Kai. All right, let's take a closer look at the command pack from the Peninsular War. Okay, standard bearer. Lovely details. Bit of trimming, but not too much flat. I won't try and stand him up, he'll fall over. Second guy. To carry the flags. Lovely detail again. Drummer. No idea what you'd call the positions of the drummer, but he's got his sticks up. Nice detail in the drum. Cool. The officer. And then what's nice, they give you a couple of variants of heads. I think it's so you can have them either for Peninsula campaign if you want, with these star hats, or if you want to take them into the later war, Waterloo. So you've got a bit of option. All right, let's see what else is in the box. Oh, some information and plastics. Cool. So you get one, all the same, I think so. Two, three, and four sprues. Lovely artwork again, taken from the box. Lovely presentation, well printed, looks great. And there you go, gives you a bit of information about who to put together. On the back, beautifully printed colours. Do a little bit of research and see which regiment I'd like to focus on. Okay, and the last in my box, Hattu mounted infantry officers from the Peninsula War. A couple of horses. Haven't done cavalry before. Got that open. Getting used to opening these blister packs. Thank you, Rebecca, for packing this one. So, first horse. Great detail. Second one, definitely standing around, not so much in a moving, galloping or cantering position. So it's more interested in the eating this one. Then we got first officer. Taking it all in. And the second, pointing, giving commands, sword drawn. Well, there you go. That's it. That's my next little addition. Nice little cheeky surprise on a Sunday afternoon. Got a lot more to get my teeth into. Gonna have a lot of painting, a lot of trimming, a lot of sorting, and lots of fun getting this sorted, finding out what's next, where I go. So take care, have a lovely weekend, look after yourselves.